Welcome to the channel. Out for a little quick ride today with my brother. Gotta go to Lowe's.
What?
No, you're leading.
Oh, am I leading? You want to go out the back way then?
Whatever way you want to go, you go. Out with my brother today. We're at the gas station. He had to get some gas. We're going to Lowe's to pick up a tool and a couple bolts for that inspection plate that we were trying to do. He stripped out a bolt on his bike already. That aluminum bolt on the brake lines there on the front fork.
Yeah. Not quite stripped yet, but chance to.
So we got to go out to Lowe's to get a tool. It's called a hand impact ratchet type thing, where you can tap it, so it actually you hit it and it kind of jolts the bolt and also turns it a little bit at a time. So to try to get this bolt out. He hasn't learned to pick a lane yet. He drives right in the middle where it's always all the oils and the dirt settles.
I'm making sure I fling it all up onto you.
Well, it's right at that point where it's almost glove weather. My hands are a little bit cold.
Yep. Yep, a little bit.
Let's see here.
Try your turn your heater dips on.
Oh yeah. Well, it's my knuckles, but it says it's 58 degrees.
I don't notice any more vibration.
Why, did you have some before?
No, I said I don't know. I just said I don't know.
Oh,
there's
no difference.
No difference. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good.
I mean, no matter what, you're always going to feel some in the handlebar. That's part of, riding.
Yep.
But yeah, there's nothing extra. It's just regular.
I don't feel any in mine unless I'm at a light, stopped. Then my handlebars shake.
Yep.
You get your bumps in the road that you feel, but vibrate. Yep. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I got all this thick fucking foam here, so.
Yep. Yep. So you better ride today because, ooh, Jesus.
Scare the shit out of you?
Yeah, you probably should tell me that.
You don't see me in your rearview mirror?
I wasn't paying attention to you.
Oh, shit. Oh, God, that was funny.
Yeah.
Can anybody see? No, they can't because he's way back there. What side do you want?
Hmm? Well, if you're going to lead, I usually go on the right.
I like the left. Who said I was leading? You can, and when you're leading, you can go into any lane you want.
I know. No wonder you have shitty gas mileage.
What are you talking about?
Huh? Not that you're just heavy off the line.
Yep. You can be heavy off the line too.
I know, it can be.
Heavy doing the wheelie. Put it in sport mode. Try it.
Nope. I have had it a little bit.
Off the line?
No, while we're moving. Even while you're moving, that's fucking insane.
Yep.
sport mode in this thing is. The throttle is extremely touchy.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get a freaking cam in this. I need exhaust and a cam, and then some of us don't have beaucoup bucks to buy a brand new bike every year.
Yeah, trust me, that ain't gonna happen again in any time in the near future.
So I wonder how many red lights you're gonna run this season.
Me?
Yeah.
Why? Did I run a lot last season?
Yeah, you were always running red lights. I don't know why.
Because you fucking gun it through.
They were yellow when I went through.
Yeah.
No. Oh, Jesus.
What?
You're gonna get a ticket.
Yeah, you're leading. I'm just following you.
Look at all the bikes they got. Look at. Whew.
Where?
That's what I mean.
Open? Are they even open?
Yeah, I can't even see this. It's all just glare
Really?
right now. Yeah.
Okay, mine isn't bad. I can actually see my screen.
See? So then that means you're going to be leading. Because the sun's right behind me, so it's fucking...
No, I can still see mine. I mean, I can see the sun shining on it, but I can still see it.
I can't. Doesn't matter, I can't see anyway, so...
Yeah. But you gotta get a prescription visor.
No. Oh yeah, hey, we're stopping to get dog food, you're bringing it back. I wonder if I can fit it in my top box.
Okay.
I guess I'll have to get it another day. I can carry it, I just don't know how I'm gonna fucking carry it though.
How big a bag you normally get? Because otherwise, yeah, no.
You know, it's a regular 25-pound bag, but... Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight.
Jesus. Are we gonna try to make this turn in here?
Yep.
Okay.
Try to? Well, you got to learn to drive that thing sometime. Just be careful of that, because that gets wet.
Yep.
And slick. And this guy's... Don't you know that you can't do that, you dumbass?
Yep.
Where you want to go?
Oh, it doesn't really matter. Which way are you pulling in? Right, left?
Go here. Well, you ever learned how to...
Nope. Not this bigger bike.
All right, we're at Lowe's, so we'll be back. All right.
Rapid.
3 hours later, when Mr. can't make a decision in Lowe's.
Yeah. Thread the needle on that one. Ooh.
Jesus, are you trying to just check out your suspension?
Yep. I am.
Man, you haven't learned yet, have you?
What?
A roll and stop.
Oh. Oh, you mean actually follow the law?
No, I said you haven't learned how to do one yet.
I know.
I know.
Because I follow the law.
Oh yeah, with all those red lights you run all the time.
Yeah. Only because I'm following you.
Oh, on this road, I'm definitely right behind you.
Yep. What? You don't want me over there? Oh, Jesus, up here it doesn't look too much better on this one.
Yeah.
On this side. I'm just kind of...
Yeah, you kind of got to almost ride in the middle. Where you don't really want to ride, you know,
yep.
Because that's usually where the humps are and all the oil and dust. But on this road, you gotta.
Sometimes you just ride where there's pavement.
Holy fuck! Yeah, look, holy fuck! Yeah, don't take this fucking road.
All right. You saw my stop.
Yep. I think the Jeep behind us did the same thing we did.
There, you happy? That was 2 rolling goes.
There you go. You're learning. You're learning the proper way.
That's a little more difficult without a clutch.
Yes, I know.
That's going to take some getting used to.
When I did the turnaround there, I was like, when I test rode it, tried to turn around, I'm like, and there was a truck there at the intersection, you know, trying to turn, and I'm like,
People say you could do it, it's just you got to relearn, because everyone always like, oh, I'm going to feather the clutch.
Yep. So, if you ever buy another bike, that I don't know, you know, does that screw you up?
Well, that's just it. If I get this one down packed, then if I go back to a manual, it might be kind of like,
Right. If you go back and forth, if you get a secondary bike just for around the town riding, you might as well just get a moped.
Yeah. Don't worry, this one I'm actually going to stop.
Yeah. Fucking stones.
I know, this is kind of... Oh, this is a yielded trait.
Yeah. Come on, Grandpa. Go. Don't even look, just go. It's yield. Don't you know how to... It's the same concept as a roundabout. You just go, you don't fucking stop. Man, gotta teach these youngins how to fucking drive here.
No wonder there's so many deaths in motorcycles.
Yep.
What the hell is that?
What?
Driving with his fucking back hatch wide open.
Well, he must have had something in the back.
I don't know why, but yeah, I'm more comfortable making left-hand turns than I am making right.
Me too.
Like this turn I'm more comfortable leaning the bike left. Than right.
Me too.
Okay. Which is kind of odd because we're right-handed. I think wouldn't we be more dominant in the right, but Jesus. There was a little bit of sand right there.
Yep. You didn't want to drag an E on that?
No. I'm still getting used to leading this bike. I could have went, but...
Just hurry up and go before this car cuts us off.
Yep. Alright, going.
Okay.